Hey, this is Brandon Evans. I'm in Prior Lake right now. I'm dealing with a homeowner who has a leaky roof. It's just 3 years old. From the rain, heavy rain this past weekend. I think we got 3+ inches of rain. I live in Savage. It rained pretty good. I believe that May 16th, 17th of 2020. So I flew my drone up and I noticed that there is a missing shingle on the ridge here. It's pretty obvious, it stands out. I also looked at these closed valleys to see if there's anything obvious that maybe could potentially be the trigger for a leak. I also looked at some of these vents on the roof. They appear to be installed correctly and nothing glaring obvious of what might be causing a leak on this direct area overall. So I just kind of checked out these vents. They all look pretty good. The only main thing of the direct area that the leaking was coming from is this missing ridge shingle. So I'm gonna have some tarp here that I'm going to put over. There's already a claim established. So I'm going to go ahead and use cap nails and do a quick patch with this tarp and wait for the insurance company to come out. And give them their estimate. This is Brandon Evans. This is how HailPro can help. We're using drone technology and climbing. Climbing the roof as well. We were here the next day.